Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to calculate skewness and kurtosis in Stata. So skewness and kurtosis are two important measures of the distribution of your variables in your data set. So I'm gonna use a command called sum or summarize command and select a variable. I'm gonna use a variable called age, so age of the respondents, and using an option called detail. And after using the command detail, you can see on the left hand side the skewness and kurtosis. So what does skewness indicate? So skewness is basically about the normality of the data. So if the skewness is about zero, that means skewness could be negative and could be positive, but it's about zero. When it's about zero, so that is normally distributed variable, right? But if it is away from zero, both in positive and negative direction, then it's not normally distributed. Okay, either it's skewed to the left or skewed to the right. So if it is negative, then it is skewed to the left, and if it is positive, it's skewed to the right. So here, what value we get? So we have a value of minus 0.12, right? So this value is close to zero, and we can say approximately our variable age is normally distributed. And then kurtosis value, you know that the kurtosis, when the kurtosis value is 3, it is considered normal. So what does kurtosis indicate is the peakedness or tailedness of the variable. So the kurtosis value that is more than 3, that is uh, that has a long tail in the right, and the kurtosis value that is less than 3, that has a tail in the left. Okay, so as we can see that this kurtosis value is 1.56. That means there is a tail, and the tail is to the left. Okay, these two important measures basically looks at how your data is distributed. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share.